Hey, welcome back to Luo English Dictionary channel. Aruaki a channel mar Luo English. This is a channel that translates Luo to English and English to Luo and vice versa. If you're new here, I encourage you to subscribe. Please press there's a button somewhere here. I don't know, somewhere here. Just press it, subscribe, thank you so much. And my name is Agina.
My name is Nikki.
And Nikki is my daughter. What we've been doing here is I've been trying to teach her Luo for a long time, since January of 2019. And she's been progressing well. So we've been adding in videos every now and again. So if you've not seen any of our videos, I encourage that you search this channel and go through episode 1. Now I think this is episode maybe 90 something. So there are 90 something videos that you can watch and learn Luo. Today's video is about parts of the body. And this is the third video because there are 2 more that we did earlier. And we've been enriching them with the comments from our listeners and our viewers. So today's video is an enrichment of the last 2 videos. So there are some parts that we didn't cover, Nikki. And the first one is called what?
Okumbo.
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 You make me laugh the way you pronounce it. So that's the elbow. That's Okumbo. I think there's a time I was asking the elbow. You remember? I forgot.
Yes. Year.
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 Year. So year is the hair. Hair. Year. So this is hair. Now hair for the head. This is the head of the whatever. This is called earwitch. Say earwitch.
Earwitch.
So earwiya.
Earwiya.
So earwi.
Earwi.
Earwiwa.
Earwiwa.
Awa.
Hair.
Hair. Yes.
Tick. Tick.
Tick.
Tick.
Tick.
Tick.
So that's the shin. So
Chin.
Tika.
Tika.
You hold it. Tika.
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 So hair for the tika is year tika.
Year tika.
This is called what in English? I don't know. Mandevu.
Beard.
Oh, the beard. Yeah. The beard is year tika. Thank you.
Onding.
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 Ondinga. That's the lower back. Ondinga.
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 Ondingi.
Ondingi.
Ondinye.
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 Good.
Talk.
Talk, not talk. Talk.
Talk.
Talk. Talk. Talk. So talk. Talky.
Toki.
Toka.
Toka.
Toki.
Toki.
Toke.
Toke.
Tokwa.
Tokwa.
Okay? That's back. Talk.
Nungo.
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 That's the waist. Nungo.
Nungo.
Nungona.
Nungona.
Nungoni.
Nungoni.
Nungone.
Nungone.
Nungowa.
Nungowa.
Yes. And you can look at the phonetics, the video on phonetics. This gives you the possessive form. Mine, yours, his, hers, things like that.
Ogwalo.
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 Now, ogwalo is the you see it between the knee and the heels, like that back,
The
back.
ankle.
The ankles, yes, the ankles. My English is poor, but my Luo is perfect. Ankle is ogwalo. So my ogwanda, ogwanda,
Ogwanda.
ogwandi,
Ogwandi.
ogwande,
Ogwande.
ogwandwa,
Ogandwa.
Ogwandwa.
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 Good. And I'll force Nikki to type in the captions so that she can edit and just so you turn on the closed captions.
Yep.
Yes. If it's not yet there, then she's just not done it yet. But she'll do it.
Kasong.
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 That's a hip bone. Kasong.
Kasong.
Kasonga.
Kasonga.
Kasongi.
Kasongi.
Kasonge.
Kasonge. Lemb.
Limb.
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 Limba.
Limba.
Lembi.
Lembi.
Lembe.
Lembe.
Lembi.
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 Lembi. Ler. Leche.
Ler.
Ler. Ler.
Yes, it's not ler. You know ler means clean.
Yes.
So you say ler. It's a lower E. Ler. Say ler.
Ler.
Ler is the veins. You know, like me, if I'm usually when it's hot, I get some veins up here. I don't know whether you can see. Camera, can you see? Oh no. Okay, somewhere here. I don't know.
I have veins on my hand.
Yeah, like I don't know. Okay, you get the idea. That is called ler.
Ler.
So when there are many, you say leche.
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 Ler.
Ler.
Leche.
Leche.
Good. So those are some parts of the body that we did not cover. And if you enjoyed this video, as usual, please give it a thumbs up. And Nikki says the rest. I don't know that part because, you know, say.
You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Patreon as Luo English Dictionary. You can send us anything you want for us to use in our videos. Our address.
No, we don't put our address.
No.
Now, the thing is, we now have a Facebook page. We started with a Facebook page. It has like 8,000 members. We went into YouTube. Now we are heading into 1,000 guys. We are on Twitter. I don't remember the number. We are on Instagram. I also don't remember the number. But we are also on Patreon. So if someone who wants to support this channel, get into Patreon, send us an email, send us a DM. Long only DM.
Yes.
Send us a DM, things like that, and then we shall just get in touch. If you want to support the videos in case of like you want to add more content, you're welcome. If you want to collaborate with us, you're welcome to do that too, because we are here to just learn. The intention is everyone should learn Luo. Luo is an international language. For now, Oriti.
Goodbye.
Oriti. Who is going to turn on the video? So as you turn on, I pretend to be doing these things like this. You know, like the way news reporters, when you're going to turn on, they just do like this. Thinking that, oh, at your camera imeshafungwa. Oh, umefunga.